In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be applying the new CQuartzUK 3.0 to this 2018 BMW M2. The car's been rinsed, and I have the McKee's Extreme Iron Remover sprayed on the entire car. The wheels have only been rinsed, and you can see how much brake dust is still in the wheels, so that's going to be a project in itself. So once the car is fully washed and decontaminated, we'll pull it inside, and then I'll cut to the application of the CQuartzUK 3.0. Okay, so the car has been washed, decontaminated, and polished. Now we are going to be applying the CQuartzUK 3.0. Hand protection. You want to shake it lightly. You're going to have a foam applicator with some of these microfiber suede applicator pads. I do have the CarPro microfiber suede towels for the coating removal. So I'm not sure if the GoPro is going to pick this up. I may try to get some kind of a reflection off of the roof in order to show you how to apply it. I do have a video that shows you how to apply the original CQuartzUK, which it's pretty much the same process. You're going to unscrew the cap, put one line of product onto your applicator, and then you're going to go both ways, up and down and side to side. Wait for it to flash, or start to like disappear from the surface. And then we go back and remove any high spots with the applicator, level them, and then once it looks like everything has pretty much flashed, you will use your towel to remove any more product, and then you move on to the next section. So as you can see, I started doing the door here, and you can see here is where the coating has been applied. You can see it's starting to dissipate or flash. You can see the marks here up and down. Okay, so I used the microfiber suede towel from CarPro to remove the coating, and as you can see, there are no more lines here. Everything has been leveled and allowed to flash, and now we have a door that is half coated. We're going to continue with the rest of the car, and then I'll be uploading a different video with a complete walk around with the results once the car is completely done. You do want to remember to use the CarPro Eraser or another product similar to that as a panel wipe prior to applying any coatings. I did use the CarPro Eraser because we're applying a CarPro product, so I'm keeping it all in the family, and it does a great job. So as you can see here, the coating is starting to flash on the second half of the door. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.